Hi guys, welcome to my game dungeon. I've got a lot of glitter here, and I've got some glass chips that I spray painted gold. And I've got gold glitter. These are all, this one is all in, I got it at Walmart. And I've got some onyx. And I've got some, this is a decorative filler, but it's a crushed mirror. And I've got some fire opal glitter from my May sponsor, Shelly. Thank you, Shelly, for all the glitter that you gave me to use. And this is another one of hers. This is extra fine glitter crystal diamond. And I've got some ocean treasure, just because I want some of that bluish stuff in there. That's pretty. And I don't know what I'm going to do. This is a spur of the moment. I had another idea for this, and then I thought, no, I'll do this in two parts. I want some texture on one of my pieces, because I haven't done it before. So I mixed up, what, maybe 4 or 5 ounces here. And I'm just going to pour, starting right about here. There goes nothing. Oh, I don't know if it's catching. The light is just, oh, this is going, it's going crazy on my end where I'm sitting or standing here looking at it. That is just fantastic. It's so sparkly. Am I going overboard? Probably. Ooh! Me likey. I'm gonna hit it with a little more black just because I want some of that contrast. am in love. Oh, this is amazing. Look at the sparkle. Now, a lot of this stuff is going to go away, and then we'll get to see the lines. So we'll do that in tomorrow's video. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, we're back. I'm going to brush off. I've been brushing it off, just playing, you know, around here, around the edges. And now I'm going to tip it. Well, it looks like everything's stuck pretty well. Just going to brush any excess off if there is any. Okay. I'll stick that back down here. All right, I'm ready to pour. Okay, decision time, guys. What do I do? I'll put white in. I don't know what I'm doing. I hope this turns out. I don't like it, which really upsets me because I wanted to like it, and I just screwed that up. Well, here it is. This is all finished. And I redid the top part. And I thought I was recording. So, my bad. But I like this much better. Let's go in for a close-up again. I love the sparkle. I told my daughter this looked like a woolly bear. And she said, well, if it's a woolly bear, it'll turn into a beautiful butterfly. I love how the sparkle goes through on the monitor or screen. This is a 24 by 24. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you stopping in. Like, subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you to all my subscribers that have already done so. Share this video if you think that it's worthy of your friends watching. And we will see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.